Hi there. Let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1969 AMC AMX and 1/18 scale made by ERTL Collectibles on American Muscle. This car is a different and very interesting car made by American Motors, but before we take a better look at it, please don't forget to like my video, to subscribe my channel, and to share the video. So let's go on and take a better look at it. First thing you'll notice is the front of this car with this very nice looking grille. It's not actually a grille, but it's a very nice reproduction actually. The chrome and trims are kind of worn out because this is a very old model. I've got this model used, so it was already a little bit worn up. The engine bay, as we can see, it's got this very nice AMX 380 engine. It's made in metallic blue. It's a color that was actually used in some engines at the time, and it really looks nice. We can see that the engine bay itself, it's quite simple, but the engine still has all components are supposed to be there. It just doesn't have the cables, but it's got the hoses, distributor, oil intake, air filter, everything that's supposed to be in an engine bay. And the hood itself, it's well made, it's simple, it's a simple piece, but it's well made, and the hinges are not so thick as it's used to be in some cheaper models. We have those two air intakes in the hood. The door, color is very nice. It's a very nice green color. The interior is made in brown. It was this car was actually washed with water and soap. It was very dusty, really. It belonged to a previous collector and probably was sat on the shelf for too long, and the mirror was broken and the car was all full of dust, so I put the mirror back in place. I glued it together and I washed this car and made it much cleaner than it was before. Still have a little bit of dust here, but it's okay. It's got a mechanical transmission, 3-spoke steering wheel, very nice dashboard. This handle here that kind of reminds the one of the Pontiac. And this car is a 2-seater, so you have no back seat actually. The AMX badge, the pedals, that's the gas, brakes, and clutch. Steering wheel, that's actually functional just like any other 1/18 scale models. The gauges, which are made with stickers but in a pretty good quality. These ERTL models are not so expensive, but they're quite good. We have no headliner, and we have just a little mock-up of the sun visors made in glass, as we can see in the interior. Mirrors. The windows trim is cast in metal, but it's not painted. I intend to further paint it with some chrome paint, or maybe use some sort of chrome stickers to make for better details. I like those wheels and tires, those 5-spoke wheels that remind of Magnum wheels, which are very nice. And the bottom of a car. As we can see, just like any other ERTL models, we have the black bottom structure here, since this car is a unibody just like the Ford Mustang and the Dodge Dart and the other more compact cars of the time. The gas tank is made in black plastic. It's cast in plastic actually. Suspension is not working suspension, it's just a simulation. The mufflers are made in the right colors. The axles are correct. The steering system, the engine and tranny are very well made. The drive shaft is fixed. It doesn't turn as you turn the rear wheels, just like any other brands such as Authentics or GMP, Highway 61, or any other one like it. But that's okay. The tires are well made. So the car really looks nice, and it's a very nice muscle car by American Motors. So I'd like to thank you for all views, likes, comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to share this video, to like this video, and stay tuned for news. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.